Welcome to this tutorial video. The refined feel of a space is half created by its ceiling. A perfectly designed ceiling can instantly enhance the visual impact of the entire space. In this course, you will learn step by step how to create ceilings using different design methods. Let's get started. Part 1. Finished ceiling design. If you want to quickly complete ceiling design, you can use finished ceilings. Drag and drop with one click, saving both time and effort. Click models in the left sidebar. Select ceilings under the construction category. Here you can see a wealth of ceiling materials. Click on the desired ceiling and drag it to the target location. The system will auto-match the room dimensions. If the ceiling model is relatively large, the system will automatically place it in a larger area. You can manually scale down the model first before dragging it to the target area. Then click Auto Match in the pop-up window to finish placing it. Next, switch to the 3D view. Select the ceiling and click the flip icon in the pop-up window. Select back and forth or mirror to adjust the orientation as needed. You can also go to the Properties panel on the right to modify the length, width, and height of the ceiling as needed. Part 2. Parametric ceiling design. If you want to further refine the details, you can use parametric ceilings. From sizes to materials and lighting, just change the numbers to update everything instantly. First, click Models in the left sidebar. Select Parametric Ceilings under Construction category. You can view a wealth of ceiling materials. Click on the desired ceiling and drag it to the target location. The system will automatically match the room dimensions based on your design needs. You can rotate the ceiling to the appropriate orientation. Once adjusted, switch to the 3D view. Select the ceiling. You can set the ceiling height, width, and length in the basic properties on the right side as needed. In the advanced parameters, you can adjust the edge distance and style of the downlight, as well as the brightness and color of the light strip. You can also adjust the below ceiling, above ground, and edge line in the extend parameters. If you want to modify the material of the ceiling, double-click the ceiling to enter edit mode, then click the replace button for materials on the right to select the desired material. After applying the material, click a blank area to exit the edit mode and view the final effect. Part 3. Customize ceiling design. If you want to create a fully customized ceiling design, you can select the ceiling and click to enter Ceiling Editor. Click Rectangle tool from the top toolbar to draw a rectangle, logically dividing the ceiling into separate areas. For the living room area, we will demonstrate by drawing a multi-level stepped ceiling. Click the Add Guides tool on the top toolbar to reserve space for the curtain box and cabinets. Then use the Rectangle tool to map out the ceiling area and the curtain box area. Select the ceiling area above the cabinets. Set an extrusion value in the lower right corner. Click the Offset tool on the top toolbar. Click anywhere on the target ceiling area, input the offset value, and press the Enter key to confirm. Click the rectangular area generated after the offset and set an extrusion value in the lower right corner. Next, offset 2 profile lines on the ceiling then click Mouldings in the left sidebar and select suitable lines from the material library to place in the desired position. You can also click on My Account in the left sidebar. Select pre-saved corner lines and decorative lines from your favorite and place them in the desired position. After placement, select the profile lines and click to enter section Edit. Adjust the dimensions as needed and click Done. Select the configured profile lines. Click Duplicate, then paste into current styling area. If you want to center the decorative lines, select the lines and check Center Molding in the left sidebar. Then click the configured profile lines and paste into current styling area in the same way. For the kitchen and corridor areas, we will demonstrate using a simple flat ceiling. Simply select the corresponding ceiling surface and set an extrusion value in the lower right corner. If you want to add more ambience to your corridor ceiling, you can click Add Guides on the top toolbar. Pull an inward guideline at a distance of 100 from the corridor's edge and trace it using the Line tool. Next, select this profile line and click the Indented Lamp Belt or External Expansion Belt in the left panel. Set the light strip's brightness, color, width, and thickness. After completing the settings, you can drag and enlarge the top right viewport to check the effect and see if adjustments are needed. If no adjustments are needed, click Exit with Save in the upper right corner. Click 2D in the bottom left corner to switch to ceiling mode. Makes it easier for us to quickly locate locations. Then click Lighting under the Models tab on the left. Finally, choose suitable lighting fixtures and place them on the ceiling. In the next course, we will continue to learn how to design floors for different spaces. See you soon. That's all. Thanks for watching.